What is up, guys? This is the Diesel Gen 6 smartwatch. Let's check it out. Whoop. This is Diesel's first flagship smartwatch since 2019. If you're used to Diesel smartwatches, you're going to know that the unboxing experience is absolutely amazing. They give you a really cool package. Check that out. And then when you open it up, the Diesel watch will be right there, sticker included. This is one of the first smartwatches with Snapdragon Wear 4100 Plus. As you can see, I already took the charger out the box. It is a proprietary charger, it's not USB-C or anything. Go on the back right here. Let's take this part off. And that's where it will charge at. I'll show you what the snap sound effect's like. Let's take this off too. Put that there. And this is what it looks like up close. As you can see, all metal. Looks like you have 3 buttons. This one goes in, they all go in. Let's turn it on and see what it's about. And as you can see, I ran through setup, so you didn't have to watch me do all the setup. You just connect your Google account, just like normal, toss it on the charger, and start going. So obviously this has Alexa built in. Let's see if we can find that Alexa button. Okay, that's your activity button. So sleep, cardio, fitness, blood oxygen, heart rate, etc. And it looks like the top button is your recent list. So you're gonna go there, it's gonna tell you what you've been in. Oh, there's Alexa right there. So she is here. It does come with Amazon Alexa built in. Obviously your blood oxygen level, your heart rate that you saw. So tap to talk, very easy. Let's see, let's just tap. What's on my calendar?
Mathane, there's nothing on your calendar for the next 30 days.
Yeah, so this is synced up.
I can help you create, delete, and even reschedule events. Try asking me to create an event.
No, thank you. And then if you go to the top, scroll down, you're gonna have your options. If you're at a movie theater, your brightness, which I turn the brightness up. It does have adaptive brightness. As you can see, it will just adapt to the lighting around you. And then activity tracking. And then I believe these would be your apps. So, very easy. Diesel T, they actually have their own built in. Basically, let's roll through it. I'll show you what it is. So with the schedule this light, you must be losing weight, dad jokes. Okay. So then it's gonna have your weather. So it's just what your steps are, your events, and it's just their own little version of basically an activity tracker. Very easy. Your notifications will pop up on the bottom if you're in a different screen. I don't think I'll have anything. Tap the heart icon, you can get a manual heart rate reading at any time. Everything on this screen is customizable, so you can edit, and then you can put your activity tracker, heart monitor, and you will also have some different, there is an app base, you would download the app, but you have some different complications as well as watch faces. It's a different one right here. It is called flicker. Obviously, it just stops on a random one, so you can do it again. And it will stop on a different one. So it gives you a different one almost every time. And just like the last one, you can edit all 3 of these that are in here. Hit this, and you would go to edit. One more time. And then you can edit battery life, calendar, and your workout activities. If you have any questions, comments about the Diesel Gen 6 smartwatch, leave a comment below. This is available on December 1st. There will be a link in the bio. If you go to the link in the bio, there's gonna be my TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter now. And if you would, give me a follow on those, keep up to date. I do give giveaways on my Twitter exclusively. I actually like this one. And if you're wondering, yes, it does work with Android as well as iPhone. I've tested on both. iPhone, I haven't figured out to get the messages on there. Android, it works perfect. As always, don't forget to follow, like, comment for more. Link is in the bio.